Hi, Otisha here from Thebosslook. If you're bored of one hairstyle, here's a quick way how you can have two hairstyles in one with our 14 inches lace frontal unit. This is our body wave hair that I actually straighten. It straightens really well, and I will be showing you how to convert it into this wavy, beachy, wild thoughts look. So first of all, you're going to need some water and some conditioner. Spray that on, and what you're going to do after that is put your hair into two buns and scrunch away. Scrunch like your life depended on it. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. You can also add a bit of Eco Styler gel in this to seal the curls. And your hair should look something like this. If you're interested in purchasing this unit, you can contact us at love@thebosslook.com with the code word "it's time", and with this code word you will get a massive discount off. Thank you for watching, guys.